guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1978 to 88 G-body coolant overflow tanks by Resto Parts, original parts group's in-house brand. General Motors recently discontinued these overflow tanks in 2018, making them extremely hard to find. Fortunately, OPGI began production on these in 2019 as a premium quality reproduction of the original. Each tank is molded in heavy-duty plastic for strength and durability. The plastic also features the correct off-white coloration and fill line for authenticity. In addition, every tank carries the correctly located mounting tabs and hose connection, making this a straightforward installation upon arrival. With several 5-star reviews on our website, you can count on OPGI for the highest quality products on the market. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.